For the bunny, we'll use a pink balloon. Ow. Just like that. We'll blow this up to mostly all the way. We'll twist and tie and turn, and we'll make a fairly long nose. Much longer ears. Give it a neck. Couple of small legs. A body. And then we'll divide the rest up for his tail and his back legs. Those are his nice little hoppers, and we'll just hold that right there. Now, a little trick that I like to do with the kids is have them hold onto the nose while I turn everything around and turn this into, it's hard to do with one hand, turn this into the opposite facing bunny. It's like a magic trick. Woohoo! Helps if you make everything the same size though. So anyway, that is our bunny. He sits in his legs. If you don't twist this, he's jumping out of his hole because, well, bunnies live in holes now. And give that little smile, his little eyes, because you don't want to give him big eyes. He would be a rabbit bunny. And there you go. Pop!